Hello everyone, this is Lucas from Landpack in China, which is a manufacturer with over 16 years working experience in customizing and producing the packing and filling machines. Today, we'd like to introduce you a customized horizontal type Doypack machine, which we customize for our customer for this product. This machine. Now let me introduce the detail of this machine for you one by one. For this machine, it has 7 working stations. Now let me introduce you one by one. The first one is the empty bag storage hopper by here. And the second one is the ribbon date printing device to print the production date on the package for like this. And the next working station is the bag mount opening mechanism by here to opening the bag. And the next one is the peristaltic pump to metering the liquid and then fill into the bag in a higher accuracy measure. And for the next one, this is the sponge strip, a customized fitting mechanism which we customize for our customers based on the feature of the sponge strip. And the next working station is the sealing part here, hot sealing. And the last working station is the flattening and streaming to keep the good sealing performance of the premade bag. And the last is output. So for now, let's start the machine to show you the working performance of this machine. So after the introduction, so you must well understand about this machine. However, if you have any question about this machine, please feel free to contact us